Alright guys, I just wanted to give you a little sound test. I swapped some Holy Pandas into my Massdrop alt high profile. I had them in my Aquaria before, but I put some creams in there that I was wanting to test out. So I just put the Holy Pandas in my Massdrop alt for now, just to use them. So a Holy Panda switch is either a Invir housing, YOK Panda housing, or you can do them with Gisus. I don't know how to say the name. Browns. These are with a red YOK Panda housing with a Halo True stem. You can use Halo True or Halo Clear stem. They are a mod switch. It's basically taking two switches and breaking them down and combining the two. And Holy Pandas are one of the most sought after tactile switches on the market. They are really nice. I would say they're one of the best tactile switches out there. I've tried Zelios, Xylence, Gateron Browns, quite a few other tactile switches. I would say Holy Pandas are probably the best that I've tried personally. So would I recommend them? Yes, if you like tactile switches and they have a really nice sound profile with them. So actually, Massdrop has a order for them right now, already pre-built Invir Holy Pandas. They're not pre-lubed this time, which is actually good. So you can lube them yourself how you want, and so you can hear the sound of them. They have a really nice sound. So yeah, if you guys want to get some Holy Pandas for yourself, go to Massdrop and pre-order some. They will be shipping in July, and I will in the video offer a sound test of them in my Massdrop alt high profile. Thank you.